Hello, my name is Renz Travis Almanda, and along with my group mates Mark Williams Cristobal, Aljon Averion, Mark Gavin Benaventura Lore, this is our parking system. Before this is the login page. Before this, there's a registration page, but since we have already created an account, let us put it in and try it out. So, as you can see, we already have an account, and pressing this remember me keeps you logged into the account. But if you press forgot your password, it has a function of resetting your password if you forgot your password. So if you put your email here, it will send a email link for you to reset your password. But let us log in. So as you can see here, this is our simple parking system with simple UI. So as you can see, we have manage vehicles, manage slots, manage reservations, parking history, and reports. So before we proceed into those things, let us look in this part first. So as you can see, we have total slots, the total slots, the available slots, occupied slots, and today's entries, recent vehicle entries, the plate number of the vehicle, what time it entered in, the slot it occupied, and if its status is unpaid or paid. So the total slots can be changed depending on the customers or the available slots in the parking lot that the people will use this in. So as you can see here, there are 10 total slots, 9 available slots, and 1 occupied slot that I have created since I have created a entry a while ago. So that is today's entries. So you can see here it is the recent vehicle entries. So let us go to manage slots. So as you can see here, this is a simple presentation to the security guard or the parking lot manager, person that will manage this system. So if it's green, it means it's vacant. If it's red, it's occupied. If it's yellow, it means reserved. So as you can see here, a while ago, this is the plate number, slot 1. It's unpaid and it's occupied, so it's red. So the green slot means it's vacant, so anyone can use these slots. You can also create a slot. So here you go, what slot number, the location, if it's available, occupied, or reserved, and the remarks for that. So let us go to manage reservations. Here you can create reservations for vehicles that will use slots in the future. As you can see here, plate number of the vehicle, the selected slot, what time or date it is reserved on, the remarks, and you can the save reservation. Here in the parking history, you can see all of the vehicles that use the slots and all of the entries made. So you can see here the plate number, the number of vehicles used, vehicles that has entered, what slot it took, what time it went out, the duration of the use of the slot, the payment, the fee paid, if it's paid, yes, and the actions. So you can delete it, you can view the small summarization of that entry, and you can filter out if it's paid, unpaid. I can filter it out since all of it's paid. So next, reports. So here you can see the parking resorts, and you can filter it out from which dates you want to be seen. So for example, May 6 to May 7, you can filter it out and download the CSV or PDF file of that summarization. So as you can see here, the summary, 5 total entries, 5 of those are paid, left 0 unpaid, total revenue 50 pesos. So as you can see here, if you download it, it will show you the report. There you go. So that summarizes our parking system. Thank you.